Okay, I'm just gonna set the teething backlash on it. I'm just gonna get it snugged up. Everyone does a piece of paper. I'm just gonna snug it down right here. Just barely snug it. And then it's a little too loose. And I always go around because you never know if something's out around. This is a little bit too much. So I'll go do it again. Oops, wrong screwdriver. Keep it like that right there. Sorry, I didn't realize what on camera. And then I'm going to hold the spur. Alright, I just got a little bit. So I'm going to go through, snug the other two up here on the other side. See how it feels. Put it on the spur and go bell housing. And I'm going to keep going all the way around. Just a slight movement. Maybe you can see it. You can hear it. There's a little bit of movement in there. I'm going to go ahead and snug it down pretty good. See if it holds, then check it again. And go through and check it one more time, make sure nothing moved. Here's I find the teeth. Feeling pretty damn good. Down one spot a little tighter, but still a little bit of backlash in it. There's better. That's why it's some tight. I know some people do the paper trick. You don't do all the gears. They think it's right, then they ended up burning, especially the plastic ones, melting a certain side off because it's not exactly machined correctly or aligned correctly, especially with plastic gears. That's feeling pretty good. I got, I have to show you. I got the rubber bands in case I lose battery power. And it sticks wide open, hopefully go back. It goes back. And now it's just gonna be plumbing in the fuel lines and exhaust gas. Okay, the next thing I did was plumb it in. I didn't want to cut off the excess lines, so I have more than enough lines for where I can cut it. Exhaust gas cooler and Oh, one other thing. This is how I store my tires. I'll come over here. I learned this little trick when I wanted to go race indoor clay and stuff. I use any tire sauce I want after I clean the tires down. And then, like these, then right after they're clean and dry, here I'll spray WD-40 on them. You know, for my indoor clay, I'll do whatever sauce I use, and then I wrap them up with no air in them. Then I put them in these containers. And I let them get sticky. A little WD-40 just wonders keep these things soft. Just a little tip, you may want to use it.